Chapter 5 States of Matter 5.1 Gas Dalton's Law. What is Dalton's Law? Dalton's Law states that the total pressure of mixture of non-reacting gases is the sum of the partial pressures exerted by each of the gas in the mixture, or it can be simplified as total pressure equal to the partial pressure of gases A, B, and C. Dalton's law of partial pressure. The diagram given shows that the pressure exerted by gas A and pressure exerted by gas B will become the P total of the gases A and B. The formula applied here is P total equal to the total number of mole multiplied by gas constant and temperature divided by volume. Partial pressure of A is also equal to the mole fraction of A multiplied by total pressure. And partial pressure of A is also equal to the number of mole of A divided by total number of mole multiplied by total pressure. This is the example of question to determine partial pressure of carbon dioxide when the number of mole carbon dioxide and oxygens are given. In this case, the total pressure is 760 millimeter mercury. So apply the Dalton's law, we can determine partial pressure of oxygen. Here is another example of to determine partial pressure of gases in the mixture. The only difference here, you need to calculate number of mole first because the mass of both gases are given. And then just follow the formula partial pressure of gases equal to the mole fraction of that gas multiplied by total pressure. Here's the example of Dalton's law in laboratory practice when a gas is collected over water. Bear in your mind that the total pressure will equal to the partial pressure of gas plus the pressure of the vapor. And gas does not react with water, then you have to also know that the total pressure is not only from the particular gas but also from the water vapor. Water displacement method. As you can see, these are the diagrams shows the process of water displacement method using potassium perchlorate as an example. Here, the P total will become P gas plus P vapor. So, P gas in this case is P of oxygen is the P total minus P vapor. This is the example of questions that involve water displacement method. In this case, potassium perchlorate will become potassium chloride and oxygen as a gases. So the solution to answer the question, just apply Dalton gas law where total pressure is equal to the partial pressure of oxygen and water vapor pressure. In this case, the partial pressure of oxygen will equal to the total pressure minus vapor pressure. From ideal gas equation, PV equal to nRT, number of mole oxygen also can be obtained. And then, from the number of mole, we also can determine the mass of oxygen by applying the formula of mass divided by its molar mass.